Number 2, Victorinox Classic SD Elox. Elox means aluminum oxide. Yes, it's got a coating of aluminum oxide on both sides of its scalings. As you can see, it looks beautiful, isn't it? And you get these 3 tools. 1, the straight edged blade. 2, this nail file and nail cleaner, and a pair of scissors. And this blade is very razor sharp. I'll show you in a moment. It's a very sharp blade. Do not underestimate this tool. This is very useful, and you can attach this with this keyring with any of your keys. So this is your Victorinox Classic SD Elox, the tiniest pocket tool from Victorinox, which is around 58 millimeters in length.